So after installation you might face issues like internet not working, and the problem is with the drivers or the Kext files. So as I explained what a Kext file, Kext files are basically drivers or files, like we have drivers in Windows. So now we have a tool called Vietnam tool, so you can just open it and it will be available on the in the resources section. So once you go inside Kext, and you will notice that there are tons of drivers available, and this Vietnam tool is mostly for laptops. So in case you have a Realtek internet or LAN card or an Atros LAN card, you can select the specific LAN card and make sure you have selected your hard disk and click on continue and install, and after restarting you will fix the issue will be fixed. Now the next tool is multi-beast. So inside multi-beast, if you go to drivers inside network, we have tons of drivers. Now this Intel drivers are for Intel and Atros drivers are for Atros, and you can also go to MISC and you can select Voodoo TSC Sync 4, and you can just install the drivers, and there are tons of options in multi-beast, and we have a separate video on multi-beast. And once you go to build, you'll notice that we have selected the Realtek RTL 81100 drivers. So you should know which driver you are using and why are you using the drivers. An alternate method is to mount the EFI partition in Clover configurator, and this is, we have done this in previous video, and then move to EFI Clover, and inside Kext we have version, OS version. So we are on High Sierra 10.13, and inside that we have the Kext file. So you can separately download the Kext file from Tony Mac x86 website and paste it inside it. And now in the next video we'll be fixing NVIDIA problems. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card, you should watch the video, and it's quite easy, we'll use it.